morning. Welcome back to my channel, A Country Boy Can Cook. It's New Year's Day. I've already got a recipe out there for a casserole with tamales. It had the beans and everything in it. But I wanted some cornbread and I wanted some greens, some collard greens. So I got 2 fresh heads of greens, washed and prepared those, and you'll see some pictures of that coming up. Thank you for being here for me and my channel. I do appreciate it. I consider all of my YouTube followers like my big YouTube family. Hey, if you're new to the channel, I'm just well, I'll be 73 next month, and just an old country boy that cooks. It's the perfect name. A country boy can cook. It fits. So please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, and I do appreciate it. Let's get to cooking. Welcome back to A Country Boy Can Cook. Today, it's New Year's Day, January 1st, 2025. I've already cooked our New Year's Eve and New Year's Day food. I did a casserole with black beans because I don't like black-eyed peas. And I did a tamale casserole that had the gold black beans, which are a cousin. Black-eyed peas, same family, and so it's green and gold. I put peppers in the casserole. I've got that made, but I did want some collard greens and some cornbread. Let me made the collard greens this morning. I got some shots of it. Just make my cornbread. Got my small skillet for it, heating up. The collards are just on simmer now. They're ready. I use smoked turkey legs and wings in here. Oh my gosh, it gives it a great smoky flavor. All right, let's get this cornbread going. We're gonna do cheater cornbread. Yeah, let me show you. Martha White, buttermilk, complete. Just add water. I've been cooking since early this morning, manning this collard greens, and I make regular cornbread, but I just wanted to throw this in here this afternoon and get this done. So it gets 1 package. This is really good stuff too. It's great flavor. 1 pack of the mix, 3/4, or I always start about half of a cup of water. I don't want it too thin. Mix it up really good. Got old baby blue out here. So you can see, that's plenty. It didn't take the 2/3 of a cup it calls for. So I'm gonna call it good right there. Let me get my pan over here. I've had it heating up. Ain't nothing like cast iron to cook cornbread in, especially if you heat it up prior and pour it in there. I know I'm pouring and blocking you, but trust me. And I didn't go crazy. I've cooked it and had it so hot it would sizzle the cornbread. when you poured it in, but I just want to get a little extra brown on the bottom, a little extra suntan. All right, and that's it. 400 degrees for 10 or 15 minutes until I look at it and it's done. Back in a little bit. All right, 12 minutes later and the cornbread is out. See it right there? Let's get it out of the skillet. We'll get it out of the skillet if it'll come out. Yeah, shoot, no problem. She's pretty as a pie, cornbread pie. Ain't that pretty? One pack made one perfect little cornbread here. And yes, she's hot. That'd burn it. See my trusty old knife here. I just wanted some cornbread to go with my collards and turkey. It's that burn hot. There she is, pretty as a picture. My New Year's Eve casserole, where you can see the black beans in it, replaces for the black-eyed peas, the peppers, the tamales, a little bit of cornbread, and some wonderful, wonderful collard greens. This is an all-day cook, just slow and easy. I hope y'all have a wonderful New Year's. If you're not subscribed to my videos, my channel, please hit that subscription button, hit the notification button, and you'll get all my videos. I look forward to seeing you back on my channel. Talk to you later.